remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create pepper steak Americana style. And what I have here is a New York strip. More American than that, huh? What you think? New York. New York strip. And about this, I purchased this at a local butcher named the Meat Hook here in Virginia. I also have four colors, or four the typical colors in bell peppers: red, orange, yellow, green. I have a video that describes the flavor composition of each pepper, and I have cut it in pieces. You don't need a lot, you just need some different colors. I have some cilantro here because I like cilantro. Actually, it's not cilantro, it's parsley. A little bit of parsley because I like it. Make sure you have some thyme and a couple of, I call them teeth of garlic. You smash them. Salt and pepper. What you're going to do, you put salt and you put pepper here, flip it, and you do the same, okay? Before you cook it. And I'm going to have, to keep it Americana style, I'm going to have some duck grease. I rendered this duck fat 2 years ago. It was actually March of 2021, and it's still working. Link in my description of how to render your own duck fat. It becomes first liquid, and with time, you put in another container so it becomes like this, and it lasts you a long time, 2 years, and still rolling. So I have a cast iron, Americana, right? This is almost 100 years old. What I'm going to do, I'm preheating it. I have it at medium high. And I'm going to add the duck fat. And I want this baby to melt. Cover enough surface area. This is good enough. And I'm going to add the steak. This is about 3/4 of an inch thick. So I'm going to try to do maybe 4 minutes in one side, 3 minutes in the other, but I'm going to keep a visual. So let's start with 3 minutes first, okay? About 3 minutes later, before I flip it, I want to cook some of this fat on the edge. And I'm going to do that for about a minute. Now I'm going to flip it. It's a little bit smoky because of the fat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add more duck fat. I'm going to put the garlic on top, some of the thyme, and I'm going to put some of the aromatic. Some of this fat. I'm going to let this run for about 3 minutes. So I decided to go for about 2 minutes because it's cooking kind of fast. I'm going to get it out and I'm going to put it to rest. So I have some white onions, optional by the way, but we stay in Americana, right? So I'm going to use the same grease where I had this steak, and I'm going to put this onion. I'm going to saute this baby. That pepper steak Americana style. Why not? I'm not going to waste time. I'm going to add the peppers and the other stuff. And I'm going to saute this baby at medium heat for a little bit, a few minutes until they get a little bit soft. Like pepper steak, Americana style. So I did this for about 3 or 4 minutes. I'm going to put a little bit of salt just to give it a taste, a little bit of taste, just a little bit. And you can put some black ground pepper too, if you wish. Move it around a little bit for a few seconds. Turn the heat off. You're done.